Frankey'B, technology tutorial. Frankey'B, technology tutorial. Hi, I'm Frankey'B, and this tutorial is about Zoom for beginners. Now, Zoom is an online video conferencing, chat, meetup, and greetup platform. Zoom works in Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. And Zoom is free at the first stage, meaning you can host meetings of up to 100 participants with unlimited one-to-one meetings and 40 minutes limit on group meetings. And you also get online support. In this tutorial, we'll be downloading Zoom, installing Zoom, scheduling meeting on Zoom, running through some of the key features on Zoom, such as security features, microphone muting, recording meetings, chat on Zoom, and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's do it. Now, first things first, and the first thing you need to do is to download Zoom. So click on the link in the description down below and it will take you to the Zoom download page. Now, from here, click on the first download option and the software will download for you. And you will see in the left hand corner of your screen down below. And when the download is finished, click on it to install the program. And when the installation is finished, now open the program and you'll need to sign up to create an account. But first, you'll need to enter your date of birth, which will not be stored. Then click Continue. And now you'll need to enter your email address and have it verified. And now fill in your details. Or you could sign in with your Google or Facebook account. And when you've done that, you'll be on this welcome screen where you will see this layout. Now, on this screen, you've got 4 options. 1. To start a new meeting. 2. To join a meeting. 3. Schedule a meeting. Or 4. Share your screen. And we're going to be scheduling a meeting. So click on Schedule a meeting. And this schedule meeting form will pop up. Fill in the information and click Schedule. It will generate this form which you email to your participants you would like to invite. Then fill in the email address and click Send. And it will take you back to this screen. And when you're ready to start your meeting, click on Start. And now click on Join with Computer Audio. Now, on this page at the top, you'll see this green padlock. Mouse over this will let you know that your client's connection is encrypted. Icons. And now, down here at the bottom, you'll see a series of control icons, which we'll go through one by one and see what they do. First, you've got the microphone. You can mute and unmute your microphone by clicking on and off it. And you can also click this arrow and you'll get this pop-up list where you can choose a different microphone if you've got more than one connected. Camera. Here you can turn your camera on and off. And you can also click on this arrow and you'll get this pop-up list where you can choose to change your camera if you've got more than one connected. Or you can choose a virtual background from one of these. Or you can upload your own. This is a real cool feature. And video settings, you can choose your video preferences in here. Security. You could lock the meeting so no one else can join, even if they've got an invite. And you could enable waiting room so that if participants arrive early, they could wait in here. And you could also allow participants to share screen, chat, and rename themselves. Participants. Mouse over your name will display these other options, where you can mute and unmute your microphone. You can rename and edit your profile picture. Pop out. If you click on this drop down arrow, you can choose to close or pop out this panel. Close will close this window, and pop out will detach this panel so that you can move it about if you wish. And to remerge your panel, you click on the More at the bottom and select Merge to Meeting window, and that will replace the panel for you. Invite. Click on that and you get this dialog box appear, and you could select your contacts or you could send them an email by clicking on your Gmail or Yahoo and select the contacts you'd like to invite. The information is already written, so all you need to do is select the contact name and click send. Zoom does all the hard work for you. Another way you could go is you could copy the invitation and paste it in a Word document and send it. But that's much too complicated, so the first option is much better. Manage participant. The More option at the bottom right allows you to mute participant and entry, or allow participant to mute themselves, or play a chime and entry and exit, which is good, so you know when someone enter or leave the meeting. And to merge the panel, click on the Merge to Meeting window, and that will dock the panel back in place for you. And to close participant, click on this drop down arrow at the top left and then click Close. Chat. Chat allows you to chat to others by typing in this dialog box. Chat from this dialog box. The host can choose Settings. By clicking on these three dots, participants can chat with no one, host only, everyone privately, or everyone publicly and privately. Share screen. Share screen shows what's open on your desktop screen. Whiteboard, where you can draw. iPhone and Word document. To share something from your desktop, select it, then click Share at the bottom right. Or you could double click on the item to start sharing it. Share computer sound and video clips in full screen mode at the bottom left. And Advanced is where you can share a portion of your screen or music from your computer. And to close out, click on the red X at the top left of your screen. Recording. You can record with or without audio. You can pause and stop your recording. And when the meeting is finished, the recording will be rendered out as an HD MP4 file and save on your desktop. for you to view and share with the participants of your meeting. Reaction: interacting, clapping, applause in appreciation. Like gives a thumbs up to show you like or appreciate it. And these gestures will display at the top left hand side of your screen. Change background settings. Click on this arrow and you get this pop-up list. In here there's a couple of cool features I'd like to show you. First is the mirror my video. By ticking and unticking this box, it flips your video around so that your right is on your left and your left is on your right, if that makes sense. And two, there is a virtual background. Here you can choose from one of these backgrounds so as to appear to be somewhere that you're not. You could choose to be on the San Francisco Bridge, amongst the stars, or on a beach somewhere. Or you could upload your own photo or video instead. Now, ending the meeting. Click on the End Meeting and you can choose whether to leave the meeting or end the meeting for all if you're the host. Then that will end the session for all and that will be the end. And if you did any recording, then that recording will be rendered out in an MP4 file and placed on your desktop for you to view and share with your participant. Signed out. To sign out, click on your profile picture at the top right and at the bottom click on Signed Out. Or to close the welcome screen, click on the red X at the top right. And now we're right back to where we started. We have come a full circle. Now Zoom is a pretty powerful tool. It will help you connect and stay in touch with your family and friends all around the world, near and far. You can use it for teaching and organizing meetings. And it's very straightforward and easy to use. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video and I hope it helped you. Now, that's about wraps it up for this video. So if you like this video and it helped you, don't forget to hit the like button down below. Leave a like, subscribe, comment and share this video if you'd like to see more videos like these. Thank you very much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one. Ciao for now. Frankey'B. Thank you very much.